An AIDA dishwasher complies completely with the Americans with Disabilities Act. Not only are they an elegant feature for any kitchen, but they save space, water, energy, and time.
This company is geared towards helping customers find just what they need, not what the company thinks they need. The knowledgeable sales staff can help with the choice between the type of dishwashers they sell.
There are 2 dishwashers to choose from, with about $100 price difference between them. These are such reasonably priced appliances that price isn't really an issue with these machines.
The CS77 W White Conserve Dishwasher and the CS77 SS Stainless Steel Conserve Dishwasher are the 2 styles offered by this company. They are both very sleek in design and pleasing to the eyes.
Both the stainless steel model and the dishwasher with the white door have all the same attributes. The door style is the only difference between them.
These dishwashers actually work great in offices and are up for lots of use on a daily basis, with most people switching their decor to accommodate the many stainless steel appliances on the market. Having a choice of a dishwasher in this material is great.
For individuals who aren't interested in changing out all appliances to match, the white dishwasher will go with any kitchen decorating scheme.
The interiors and exteriors of these machines are all stainless steel, with the white model being painted white on the door only. The capacity of these appliances is astonishing. They will hold a complete 12-place setting and still be able to efficiently wash it.
The dimensions on these dishwashers is approximately 32H x 23 watts x 21D inches. As for the net weight, these machines only weighs about 76 pounds, which is pretty impressive considering the stainless steel construction and the capacity offered. There are 4 wash programs: pots and pans, normal, stemware, and rinse and hold.
They come with a width adjustment kit, so that it will fit easily in place of an older dishwasher without needing to redo the entire kitchen. Even the leg height is adjustable, as well as the rinse aid dispenser.
The water consumption for each cycle on an AIDA dishwasher is 4.2 gallons and the noise level is only at 50 decibels. This is truly a remarkable and elegant dishwasher, all rolled into one package.